Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our one of the newest products. This actually is accessories you can use in the chest freezers or any horizontal stylings, the storage for the freezers. Now we can see they do having a couple parts of it. Let me give the overall dimensions first. Entirely length of the unit is about like a 21 inches. And the entirely depths, they are almost about like a 12 and 1 4 inches deep. And the width of the units, they are about like 8.5 inches wide. So basically these parts you can use in any like put in the popsicle or chest freezers to holding the basket inside. So we call this a basket holders. And that will be all demonstration information about it. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.